And here I have two topics, break statements and continuous statement. Break statement with for loop. Let's start for an example. And first I will type here for I in range 1 to 10 colon, and then I will type here if I equal 7 colon, and then break, print I. So here we have when I click on run button, then I got the answers 1 to 6, but have you seen 7? No, because here I type here I equal to 7 break, then 7 is not included, so I got the answers 1 to 6. Okay, the next example is for I in range. If I will type here, okay, I will just delete this and I will type here continuous. Continuous statements. Then if I will type here for I in range 1 to 10 colon, if I equal 7 continue. Here I forgot I in range, so then print I. Okay, when I click on a run button, then I got the answers 1 to 9. Have you seen 7 in between 1 to 9? No, because 7 will not be included when I type here continuous.